friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Penguin Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the center, and we're going to draw in a sideways oval for the nose. Now let's draw on the eye. So from the center, stepping out, we're going to curve this line up, tucking that around and in on the bottom. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right hand side as well. Now in the center, let's draw on an arch line. So we're going to draw basically another oval. So we're going to start on the inside here, curving this around, pulling that over and back down towards the nose. And then we'll replicate that on the opposite side. Let's step down now for the pupil, connecting that in towards the nose. And then now we're just going to draw in a circle on the top for the highlight. And then we'll just go ahead and color in that pupil black. Let's draw on an arch line for the eyebrows. So stepping over on the inside, we're going to curve that up and across. And now from that point on the inside, just continuing to curve that over and down. Now for the mustache, leaving a gap underneath each eye, we're just going to curve that out to the side. Now we're going to arch this around and in. Again, from that point, curving this around and back up. And then moving into the center, just another curved line, ending that right in the middle. Let's draw the mouth underneath. So we're going to draw on an arch line right in the center. And then for the tongue, we're just going to curve that up in the opposite direction, pulling that back down. Let's draw in the chin. So coming underneath, leaving a gap, just following the shape of the mouth. Now on each side, closing off the cheek, we're just going to curve this around and through to the top. We'll end that at the same height. Let's close off the top of the penguin suit here now. So on each side, we're just going to curve that into our eyebrow. And then we'll just imagine that this comes through underneath, connecting that in the center. Now from the edge on the top, we're just going to round this out, curving that over, pulling that around and back down on the side. Let's draw on the hair here. So on the inside, we're going to curve this around, tucking that back up in the center. And then coming down underneath, just curving that back across. Now let's frame in the head. So coming up in the middle, we're going to arch this line around. We're going to tuck this over and in towards the chin there. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. So curving this around, tucking this over, and then back in on the side. Let's draw on the overall straps here. So on the left, we're going to curve this line down, around, and we're going to tuck that back up towards the cheek. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. So curving this down, around, and then tucking that up and over on the side. Now in the middle, let's draw in a circle for the button. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw on the body here. So on each side, we're just going to curve this line around and down. And again, we'll just end that at the same height. Now in the middle, let's curve this line across. And then right in the center, we're just going to draw on an arch line here. Let's frame in the pocket. So in the middle, a straight line directly across. We'll connect this on the bottom with an arch line. Now from here in the center, we're going to draw in another curved line. Let's step down. From the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line on each side. And then from that line on the outside, we'll do the exact same thing, ending that at the same height. And then we'll just close that off here with a curved line. Let's draw in the penguin arms here now. So from this corner, we're just going to curve this around and out. Now we're going to round this out on the side. So on the top, we're going to curve this over, tucking that around and in towards the side of the body. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right as well. Now let's move up and we're going to curve this over and in towards the torso. Let's draw in the feet now. So on the inside, we're just going to curve this over, tucking this around and up. And then again, over on the outside, just curving this around, tucking that up and back in. And that is it. That's how you draw Penguin Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.